Ninja SP351 Foodi Dual Heat Air Fry Countertop Oven. One of the best multifunction cooking devices on the market. Multifunction cooking devices often make sacrifices in the performance of at least one of their functions, or at the very least cost considerably more than competing devices. Impressively, neither is the case with the Ninja Foodi Digital Oven, which combines a toaster oven, top-ranked air fryer, and dehydrator functionality into a single kitchen appliance. In our baking and toasting tests, it proved to be one of the most capable toaster ovens on the market. It did similarly well in our air frying and dehydrating tests. To top it all off, it can fit a 13-inch pizza yet easily flips up on its end, barely taking up any space when not in use. Overall, it's hard to find anything to complain about with this device. Pros: it's beautifully designed. The digital controls are easy to read and intuitive to navigate. It's quiet. It's an excellent toaster and does a good job of baking a sheet pan dinner. To check on food, there's an oven light. For storage, it easily can stand on its side. It cooks fast. Cons: it's expensive. It can't roast a whole chicken. There could be more cooking guidelines for specific foods in the cookbook. How does it perform? Air frying. To be blunt, it's not the best air fryer on the market, but it's also far from the worst. The digital air fry oven air fries unevenly, and food prepared from scratch seemed baked, not fried. On the website, the manufacturer claims it can air fry 4 pounds of food at once. While we could pile up that amount of fries in the air fry basket, the loaded basket couldn't fit in the oven at the rack position recommended for air frying. Toasting. The Ninja air fry oven can accommodate 9 slices of packaged bread without squishing them. And it can toast them fairly evenly, too. When used to toast 2 slices, it gives impressive results, browning exceptionally evenly. It does, however, toast to a golden brown shade on both the light and medium settings. So it could be a disappointment if you like your toast only lightly browned. It has a special bagel toasting setting and it browns bagel halves very uniformly. Air roasting. Ninja recommends using the oven to air roast sheet pan dinners with a protein, vegetables, and spices. After following the oven booklet's recipe for spicy chicken, sweet potatoes and broccoli, I was impressed with the result. All of the ingredients, about 3 pounds in total, came out lightly browned and tender in just 22 minutes. It made for a tasty sheet pan dinner for 4. Baking. You're not going to be able to fit an entire loaf or bundt pan in this Ninja, but you can use it to bake a cake or muffins in a shallow pan, or small items like cookies right on the sheet pan. Biscuits baked up just as well as from a full-size oven. Air broiling. Chicken breasts came out juicy and browned on both sides in just 20 minutes. However, even when cooked well done, steaks looked gray on the outside and in no way resembled broiled or grilled meat. So, while this oven is fast, it can't consistently deliver the kind of searing you expect from broiling. Dehydrating. Although its wide air fry basket holds more food than the ones in a typical air fryer, or the racks in a toaster oven, the Ninja is still only able to dry a small amount of food. After running the dehydrator for 10 hours, I was rewarded with a small bowl of banana chips. At least the machine kept quiet as it worked. Keep warm. The Ninja kept a small macaroni and cheese casserole at a safe serving temperature for a full 2 hours. As you would expect, however, the food was dried out by then. If you're not going to serve food within a half hour, you're probably better off just cooling and reheating it. Should you buy the Ninja Foodi Digital Oven? For those looking for a top-tier toaster oven, the Ninja Foodi Digital Oven is a fantastic choice. Not only does it bake superbly, but it can also function as an air fryer and dehydrator, and it flips onto its end for space-saving storage. The Ninja Foodi Digital Oven is priced on the higher end of the spectrum for toaster ovens. However, it performs better than the vast majority of ovens on the market, and it can effectively air fry and dehydrate as well. If you're willing to spend a bit extra for premium performance, we think the Ninja Foodi Digital Oven delivers everything you'd expect and then some.